Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've acquired this really lovely price range Mercedes C-Class AMG Sport. It's the 250, very rare. It's got front park distance control, finished obviously in silver. It's got the AMG Sport body styling kit and alloy wheels, rear park distance control, rear spoiler. That's an added extra. Really lovely condition. As you can see, the boot area is in lovely condition. Seats do fold down in the back. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, half leather Alcantara with blue and white stitch piping, which really looks nice. Inside the car, automatic headlights, 95,932 miles. You've got a pedal shift on the gearbox, 3-stage heated seats for passenger and drivers, multifunction steering wheel. We do have satellite navigation on this car, park distance control as you can see with a reverse camera. Got Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music. Really is in lovely condition for its age. All our vehicles are videoed and photographed outside for better light, but all vehicles are kept inside a showroom for indoor viewing in any weather. If you need any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.